guys, coming at you today from Wake the Dead Car Show in Jonesboro, Arkansas. We're releasing my new work truck. Everybody said I needed to get a new work truck for all these years because I'm coming up on 400,000 miles on my old Chevy, and it's starting to smoke a little bit, so you know the end is near. So we went ahead and made a little purchase here, and I wanted to show y'all my new work truck, the Cyber Truck. A lot of controversy here because people say it's electric, it's not any good. People say you need to have a gas-powered ride, but anyway, regardless, the engagement and the talk of this bad boy has been insane. So check out the logo, and you're gonna see me pull off in this bad boy. I've been saving up for a long time to be able to take this thing for a drive, so watch me roll it out.
Something inside of me broken, now I hold on to me. Thinking about that cash like you fast food. I'm thinking about this cash like you fast food.
Family guys, if y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down4sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JP D4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.